Cannot reset your Cash App PIN? Don't worry, here's how to fix it fast. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So why your PIN reset might fail? Number 1, entering the wrong email or phone number linked to your account. Next, poor internet connection during the reset, or using an outdated app versions, or maybe issues with Cash App servers or temporary bugs. And lastly, multiple failed attempts triggering security blocks. And here's how to fix a PIN reset failure. Check your contact info. Make sure the email or phone number you enter matches your Cash App account info exactly, and update the Cash App. Go to your App Store and update the Cash App to the latest version. And third, switch to another phone or Wi-Fi to rule out the connections problem. And fourth, if too many attempts were made, Cash App may block reset temporarily. And lastly, if all else failed, then reach out to Cash App support via the app or website for help. And here are some tips to avoid the PIN reset issues. Always keep your contact info updated in the app and use a strong and memorable PIN. And last, avoid too many reset attempts in a short time. So follow this step to regain access and keep your Cash App secure. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.